Have you ever wondered how successful online entrepreneurs manage their time to achieve incredible results? What if I told you that adopting the right daily routine could skyrocket your productivity and transform your life? In today's video, we'll dive into the best daily routine for online entrepreneurs, proven to work for many successful individuals. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to structure your day for maximum efficiency and success. So let's get started. Before we jump into the specifics of the daily routine though, it's important to acknowledge that everyone is different. What works for one person might not work for another. That being said, the routine we're about to discuss has been tried and tested by many successful online entrepreneurs and has proven to be highly effective. The key is to be open to experimentation, figuring out what works best for you and tweaking the routine as needed. The first step in this winning routine is waking up early. Many successful entrepreneurs are early risers because it allows them to get a head start on the day, tackle important tasks before distractions kick in, and set the tone for a productive day. Aim to wake up around 5 or 6 a.m. to make the most of the morning hours. After waking up, it's crucial to have a morning routine that sets you up for success. Keep it simple and efficient, taking no longer than 30 or 60 minutes. Start by going for a quick walk outside to get some sunlight, which helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle and boost your energy levels. Follow this with 100 squats to kickstart your metabolism and get your blood flowing. Then take a shower to freshen up, have a light breakfast, and then get to work immediately. As an online entrepreneur, it's essential to prioritize your most important tasks and tackle them first thing in the morning. This ensures that you're working on your high-impact tasks when your energy levels and focus are at their peak. Use the Eat That Frog approach by Brian Tracy, which involves tackling the most challenging tasks first, making the rest of the day feel easier and more productive. Scheduling your workout in the middle of the day or later can be a great way to break up your workday, re-energize, and refocus. Exercising increases endorphins, improves mental clarity, and can help reduce stress, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. Whether you prefer weightlifting, yoga, or a brisk walk, find an activity that you enjoy and can consistently incorporate into your day. One of the keys to a successful daily routine is setting boundaries between work and personal life. Aim to finish your work by 5 p.m. so you have time in the evenings to unwind, socialize, and engage in activities that can help you recharge. This balance is crucial for long-term success and preventing burnout. Planning your next day the night before is a powerful habit that can help you improve productivity and ensure you stay on track with your goals. Take 10 to 15 minutes before bed to review your progress, identify your priorities for the next day, and create a to-do list. This not only helps you hit the ground running the following morning, but also reduces decision fatigue and increases your chances of success. A consistent sleep schedule is vital for maintaining optimal energy levels, focus, and overall well-being. Aim to get at least 7 hours of sleep each night and go to bed at the same time every single night. This consistency helps you regulate your body's internal clock and promotes better sleep quality, making you more alert and productive during the day. Remember that your daily routine should be a work in progress. Experiment with different habits and approaches to find out what works best for you. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to make changes. On the other hand, if you discover something that boosts your productivity and well-being, incorporate it into your routine. Continuously refining your daily routine will help you achieve the best results in your online business and life. In conclusion, the best daily routine for online entrepreneurs is one that promotes productivity, balance, and well-being. By waking up early, having a structured morning routine, prioritizing important tasks first, exercising, finishing your work by 5 p.m. so you can have some free time and socialize, planning the next day the night before, and maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, you can set yourself up for success. Remember that everyone is different, so don't be afraid to experiment and adapt to find the routine that works best for you. Now that you have the blueprint for a successful daily routine, it's time to take action and start implementing these habits into your life. With dedication and consistency, you'll be well on your way to achieving greater success in your online entrepreneurial journey. Now, you can try to figure out how to make money online on your own, but if you want to go straight to the right answer and learn literally the best method that exists out there as of right now that's helping complete beginners go from $0 to $1,000 a day without any previous experience, click the link in the description to sign up for this week's free workshop and you'll learn how you can start earning a sizable income online as fast as possible. So click the link in the description now.